All right, so I didn't do any additional coding since the last stream, and where we left off was trying to fix a bunch of errors because we haven't actually run the app yet. So let's get into that. The images we're gonna have to do something interesting about here in a little bit. Yeah, so that's all fine. There's get image source used. Yeah, that's right. Okay, cool. Let's get rid of that and this. Okay, where did we leave off? Wanted me to delete something there, I thought. Let's run the type checking here. Okay, got a bunch of files that have errors, so we'll just start right here. User image source is gone. Actually, let's just search for that, and we can take care of all of those at once. This is in the user dropdown, so we'll just get rid of the image, I guess. Yeah, probably don't need that at all. Sorry, I've got a tickle in my throat. And we'll get rid of, that and that. Here, let's see. Okay, that's probably enough. I don't know the difference between include and select. There it is. Good thing I wrote that comment earlier. Yeah, we don't want everything. Yeah, username true to. ID. I don't think we need anything. Yeah, I guess we do. Link. Title. Do we need a file path? No, we don't need a file path. Just the ID will do. Yep, okay. Yeah, we could probably get rid of this comment, actually, even in the epic stack, because we're not storing blobs anymore. Okay. Oh, Mr. Unknown, he's the camera quality is awfully good. Thank you. When I was reading it, I didn't see the good word, the word good, and so I was like, I thought you were saying it was awful, and I was like, oh no, what happened? Something went wrong. But yes, I'm glad to hear that. Thank you. Oh, we're a profile photo. That is not a thing. Yeah, let's go to photo. We don't have an email address either. Yeah, we don't need any of that. Where are we? We're in the users index. Yeah, actually, I think we're gonna just delete this. This also has the search users, which we deleted. Yeah. Although, I think we actually do want to have a way to search for, hey, Michael, this is vibe coding. Yeah. I think we do want to have a way to list all the users, just maybe not search, or we don't need to do the search thing that we had before. We can get rid of that and just say user find many. Yep. I think that actually, how about we just do, there's not a search term. Yep, that's better. And just get rid of that. And yeah, this will look kind of funny, but we can improve it later. Okay, and then notes, all the notes stuff, this can all go away. Although I wonder if it'd be easier to change this to be feeds instead. Kind of want to start fresh though, so we'll just delete this. Okay. Excuse me, man, I'm so sorry. I've just got this tickle in my throat that is not happy. All right, let's try type checking again. Okay, entry server's got something it's not happy about. Instance info is not a thing. We're not going to be hosting on fly at all. So, yep. Yeah, we're not gonna do anything with that. What's up with the light theme? Because it's light outside. What, you want me to not see anything? Look, I can't see. What? There's so much light. I'd have to turn off all the light in my office. I don't like that. Mr. Unknown, not only more though, I think TinStack Start is making the right decision by sticking with server rendering and client side first. I'm not sure I understand what you're talking about. Maybe I missed something, or maybe you were referring to something that I was saying earlier and now I've forgotten what you were talking about. Okay, yeah, no email. No email. There we go. Oh, wait, no connections at all. Get rid of connections. Yeah, get rid of that. Oops. Hey, Ruben, thank you. That's nice of you. I was asking whether you think Next.js made a mistake by going server components first. In my opinion, they did. I don't know because I haven't actually used it. I think that server components are going to be really big when they land in React Router. And I think that the line between what's server and what's client is kind of hard to know in Next.js, but in React Router, having RSCs coming from loaders will make that much more clear. But time will tell. I just got to build something with RSCs. So, yeah, it's hard to say. We'll see. We will see. I do not know why my music keeps on stopping. That happened yesterday too. Very confusing. Sorry, I just got distracted by my email. All right, let's look at this. This is a conversation we were having yesterday. Okay, good. Yeah, remix flat routes is where people want from the Epic stack, and that's what I prefer also. And not to be dictatorial, but it is my project. I'm going to do what I want. But I am curious what people think, so. I thought I suggestion. Okay, glad it's actually been a long time since I've seen Tim, so nice to see you, Tim. Okay, I'll have to look at that later. Yeah, I'm very excited about RSC's coming to React Router as well. Uh-oh, we messed up something. Whoops. Not sure how that happened, but now we're all happy there. Connections. Yeah, get rid of that. Whoops. In fact, we can get rid of the authenticator stuff as well. Uninstall remix auth and remix auth GitHub. Okay. Users don't have emails. Yeah, there you go. And in fact, sign up with connection is just not a thing. Yeah, no longer are we downloading files anywhere, so we can, I don't think that I'm gonna need to do that. Upload profile image, yeah, we don't need that either. Yeah, in fact, storage. Maybe we keep storage and we just switch it to use the file system instead. We're gonna get rid of that. Yeah, okay. Okay, and don't need that. Let's change this to use the file system instead. We can use a what is it called? env. Come on. env. Data path. Kind of think this should probably be, yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Docker file. There we go. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, the root. Oh, and that's actually one other thing. env server data path. There we go. Directory can be for these files can be found in env data path. Yeah. Just keep asking. Oh, that's okay, Mr. Unknown. I just had office hours. You just missed it. What do you think of Tanstat? Start I think that it's awesome, and I think that you can build really great apps with it. I'm a really big fan of Tanner himself. I have gotten a lot of mileage out of being very focused on a particular solution, and that's been React Router for the last decade. And because there are so many apps running on React Router, I can make a really big impact in the industry by teaching people React Router. The vast majority of React Router apps will never migrate to TanStack. And so I'm investing heavily in React Router. I also have a lot of faith in the React Router team, and so anything that TanStack does, I think, is something that's possible for the React Router team to do. So I'm going to just stick with the React Router team, and if there are features of TanStack that TanStack Router and TanStack Start that are things like, oh man, that sure would be nice. I expect that React Router will get those eventually, and there are things about React Router that I expect are better than what we have in TanStack. I don't know anything myself, but that's just what I would expect. It's kind of normal. So yeah, anyway, like if you want to use TanStack, then more power to you. I'm not going to teach you that, though Tanner did say that people going through the full stack workshop series on Epic Web are able to apply that really easily to TanStack Start because everything is standards based anyway. So there's a lot of crossover. I'm going to focus on React Router, and if you can learn TanStack Start stuff from that too, then that's awesome. So there you go. Okay, so we've got a whole bunch of things that changed. We delete all that stuff as I expected. So that is good. We can get rid of the signed get request info and just inline that stuff. In fact, stream to buffer, what is that even? Can we stream things straight to the file rather than loading them up in memory? There we go. Accept those changes also. We don't need to worry about this because we have type checking and validation there. Stream to file. I don't want to use named imports for built-in node packages. Or modules, I should have said, but it gets me. Thank you. In fact, I prefer doing that also. I don't always do it, but I do prefer having the node prefix. Okay, cool. Hold on, isn't there? I think we lost the ability to get images. Can we add a utility for getting an image that can be streamed? Here, we need to get the MIME type, so I thought I had that. Yeah. We have the MIME types package, so let's use that to determine the content type. There we go. That's better. Okay, cool. So that takes care of our storage server stuff. Yeah, we're not going to have that anymore. Yeah, cool. All right, this is good. Let's just head over here to two-factor verify, and we'll get rid of, what are we trying to do here? Account name. This will have to be username. Don't think we need the name, just the username. This means that your two-factor auth is gonna, no, it actually should be fine either way. Okay, yep. Auth server we just fixed, cache server, all that stuff is unnecessary now. Okay, yeah. Yep, that's all good. Current is primary. There is no else. Oh, come on. Sometimes the way it does that is just funny. Where, what version of Node added built-in support for SQLite? So if we're on 22, I forget what version we're on. I think we might be on version 22. Yeah, so we could actually use the built-in version of SQLite instead of Better SQLite. Let's swap out Better SQLite for the built-in Node SQLite package or module. Yeah, we only use it here. No. Node.js. Docs. SQLite. I think you're confused. Why don't you read the docs? And we could probably do this in the Epic stack as well. I'm not sure that it read the docs well, so let's see what happens if I do this. I'm unconvinced you read the docs properly, so here, let me give them to you. see what that does. What do I use to dictate? It's called Flow. And I love it. It's great. And I get that question at least once a stream. I should probably make a bot that answers that question. All right, here we go. It's interesting that they decided to go with synchronous. It's just like better SQLite 3. Okay, very cool. Yep, accept file. Boom. This is awesome if this works. Oh, and let's types better SQLite 3. All right, and we still have this guy. We're gonna get rid of, I think. Yeah, we can always add it back later if we need. Okay. What's next? Storage we got, note images. Yeah, that can just go away entirely. Onboarding, it's got a bunch of problems. What are you complaining about? User data, create user. Email, email is declared where? Oh, right here. Okay, yeah, let's go to our login. Email. I guess we don't. Okay. We removed the email and now use the username as the only unique identifier that the user sees. Can we remove everything from here that involves the email? In fact, users don't even onboard, so I don't know why I'm doing this. Let's just delete these tests. Yeah, there's no onboarding. You have an admin account. You can go in. There's not a sign up either. We're gonna have a way to create users, which is new. So there's a login, but yeah, we already removed the sign up and even onboarding. So, okay, yeah, good. Playwright utils, yeah, nothing about GitHub stuff now. No email. Ah, there you are. Okay, sometimes the way that it does these things. There we go. Delete all of that. Yeah, get rid of the provider stuff. Get rid of connection stuff. Yeah, okay, cool. You know, one nice thing about moving from Android to iPhone is that now when I say okay, cool, which I do say quite a lot, my phone doesn't think I'm talking to it, because it always interpreted that as okay, Google. But I don't have any devices that respond to that now, so that's kind of nice. Okay, so yeah, images. So here's how this is going to have to work. Let's go to storage. Yeah, we're going to do that. In fact, let's say, here we go. Let's see. How do we do this? So instead of the object key, have feed ID. And this will still be FS, but we need the path. So here we're going to say async const feed select. We're going to select the feed image. Oh, we don't have Prisma. That's fine. File path. Here we go. I'm actually thinking instead we make the image. Oh, it's raining. Yeah. We make them pass the feed image ID. Yeah, we probably should have a default. Yeah, okay. I'm making a media RSS feed generator, and I need a default image when a feed doesn't have an image. Can you please generate something that is sufficiently generic, but also interesting and communicates its purpose? Yeah, I don't know. We'll see what that can do. Man, we got another Twitch thing. Ban, you're gone. Sure wish that Twitch would get its spam act together. Maybe it's hard. That's cool. We'll probably get rid of that. And once I paste, thank you. Yeah, once I think more about what I want the logo to be or whatever. Okay, so this is default feed image. Yeah, default feed. Here we go. Or we'll call this the fallback feed image. Okay. Actually, here, let's do better. Actually, could you, well, hold on. That's the wrong chat. Here we go. Actually, could you generate an image that communicates that the feed image is missing? If Grok or T3 Chat had a desktop app, I would probably look into using those. Desktop app is how you win with me. I love being able to just have it add a keyboard shortcut. Try again. I don't want to have the little trademark symbol R thing. And it also doesn't really communicate that something's missing. I'm looking for more of like a who's that Pokemon type of feel. I'm actually really curious what it's going to do with the who's that Pokemon. What? Oh, fine. Nah. Pretend I didn't say who's that Pokemon. Maybe I should be using Grok. My music stopped again? No, I just can't hear it. There it is, just quiet. There we go. Let's avoid any words or letters on it. All right, let's try this first prompt with Grok. Yes, please generate an image. So, yeah, I think this one's definitely gonna lose. We're gonna go with whatever Grok gives us. 4 options even. It stopped. Wow, that's interesting. No letters, please. Cool. I think I like this. I like this one. Yeah, let's go with this one. With the little Grok logo in the bottom. And it's not very big, is it? I'm gonna leave the Grok logo in the bottom. Oops. That's a JPEG. Except it's, I need it to be square. Well, sorry, Grok logo. We're gonna square it up. Oh man, that wasn't center. All right, fine, I'm gonna have to. All right, so it goes to 768. And actually, you know what? The whole thing is 1024, 768. So that means 1024 minus 768, 256. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 100. Is it? Maybe I'm moving by more pixels than I thought. When I do a shift, oh man, I hate that so much. No, that's 10 pixels. Oh, right, 256 divided by 2, 128. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. That's centered. All right, and actually, also want to, actually, I don't really care. It can be a JPEG. Okay, cool. That handles that. So then we actually need to go to our utils. Nope. Miscellaneous. Here we go. So it's this. This will be images, right? And then slash feed image ID. There we go. Okay, good. All right, let's type check again. I think we're done. Cool. Let's lint. Okay. That's interesting. I wish I could say this is the first time this has ever happened. And then my editor disagrees. I hate that a lot. But I'm not going to open that file again anyway, so we'll just let the CLI be the victor there. Okay. So the next thing is the tests. I expect things to fail. Yeah, okay. Okay, sweet. Those tests pass. Now, the biggest one. This is the first time we're actually running the server with these playwright tests. Right, what's the easiest one? The error boundary. This should definitely work. And there we are. First time running the server. We have invalid environment variables. We're not getting the output. Are we running the server already somewhere? Huh, why aren't we getting output from our server? Huh. All right, fine, we'll just pull this up ourselves. I definitely expect... Why are we not getting... Creating build. We're not getting this log? Oh. Oh, there it is. Oh, geez, it was like right in my face. Data path, all right. That's why. Okay, cool. So all right, start error boundary test. Boom, that works. And look, we got all this stuff. We can delete epic notes later. Actually, let's do it right now. Epic notes. Here, let's do match case. And here, epic notes. Meteors. Yeah, that's the home page we'll redo completely. Yeah, there will be a owner of the feed, and we'll be able to transfer ownership. I think that would make sense. So yeah, that makes sense to have it linked there. Okay, cool. Try it again, and then we'll see. It still says Epic Notes. Media, RSS. Yeah. Okay, try this one again. Media RSS. And let's try, what's next? What's another, updating their info. Huh, that actually worked. Okay, updating their password. That also worked. Verification, passkeys. Yep, passkeys are working. Nice. Passkeys failing correctly. Successful failure. Hi, Mockingbird. Sweet, the end-to-end tests are working. What's left of them. So now, all that's left is committing. Here, actually, let's run the validation script. That runs all the tests, the build, the linting, type checking, and yeah, then end-to-end tests. Okay, sweet. We always get this red thing. I need to figure out what's causing that, but it's fine. All right. Validation working. So now let's push. We're gonna get this up on Docker Hub. It doesn't do anything yet, at least nothing interesting. Oh, totally borked. It's probably the build. Oh, setup database. I know what it is. It's this preview feature. Okay. Well, while we're waiting, just see what other stuff's happening. What the freak? What? Why? Hey, Vasu. Oh, this failed. Okay, what failed this time? Set up database again. Oh, I know what it is. It's that. We don't need that. Do not need SQL. Oh, I've got visitors I need to go talk to. Okay. Yep, I've got to go down really quick. Hopefully this deploys. I will just be on break. I'll be right back. Okay, let's see. It died in 10 seconds. No such file or directory. Oh, yeah, because it's supposed to be capitalized. Let's see. Workflows. Docker file. Can we change this so that we deploy the Docker image to GitHub's registry instead? Just kind of curious, why use Docker Hub if we can use GitHub? GitHub's registry is ghcr.io. The real question is it easy to use that registry on the Synology? So if you'll excuse me really quick to see in my container manager, registry. It was ghcr. Yeah, .io. All right. How to add ghcr to Synology. Okay, not supported as of 2022. I don't have any reason to believe that's any different. So we'll just go with Docker Hub. It works. Okay, 9 seconds, and it blew up because oh, used automatically. Okay, that sounds fine to me then. That's an interesting approach. Yeah, except that doesn't quite apply to what I'm talking about, but interesting. Also, I don't think that would work. Here we go. Now it's building. I thought the Epic Stack added a CLI for the cache database as well. Okay, cool. So did it work? Don't know what those warnings mean, but hopefully that's okay. hub.docker.com. There it is, media RSS. Sweet. So now, let's see. Let's follow my own instructions on how to get this set up on the Synology. We're just sitting in my closet right over here. Okay, and I don't want you all to see this because I don't want, actually I wonder if I can just do, we'll just do the local IP address. Here we go. Okay, so then we go to container image and actually, can I just go to registry? Boom, cool. Download. Downloading. There's an update available to Jellyfin. Sure, let's update. Okay. You scared me. Well, they don't seem to really give any sort of idea. Opacity 0, hello. Actually, let's go back here. Okay, so Yeah. We need a place for the database. We have the Docker. Yeah. Create folder. Media RSS. Okay. Container. Create using this. We really shouldn't need that much memory. 1 gig should be plenty. Yeah, okay, we've got that. Okay, so the container port is that one. We're gonna do 6 because we've got the old one running over there. We can, I think, change this later. And then add a folder, Docker, media RSS, data. And add another folder. This would be audio. Oh, huh. Probably Docker file, fly. Let's see. I don't think I need to change that. I think that there's like a 50% chance this works first try. Kind of think it won't, but let's look at the logs here. Running database migrations. That's taking a while before we get any more logs. So that's not encouraging. Yeah, we've got databases here though, so that is good. Huh. We're not getting any other logs, so that's interesting. But if we go, what was the port again? 6. Well, it's not closing down immediately, so there's that. Whoops. Nope, nope. Okay, here we go. Can I reorder this? It's going in reverse order from what I typically want to see. Okay, success. Generated. We have liftoff. Oh, we're missing session secret and honeypot secret. Okay, that's pretty easy to fix. Stop. Settings. Oh, you can change this. I'm gonna move this over here for a second, just in case I decide not to. Let's see. Okay, here we go. We're gonna delete the first one. We've got the next one started. We're gonna close this. We're gonna bring this guy back. We're gonna look at this. Take a look at the logs. Sweet, and it's running. Hey! Bam! Okay, good. Now we've got media RSS running. So we've got a whole workflow for this now. The next step would be release a new version and have this update, and feel pretty good about that. So cool. Okay. Man, these /ACC, I don't even know what that means, but it just like, I don't know. It's different from how I would do things. Okay, cool. And then the media paths. Oh yeah, we missed that. Yeah, that is cool. Oh, right, let's check. Can I log in? Admin, media RSS. Log in. Sweet. Oh, huh. I thought that, Docker file, or, yeah, it's media RSS. It should at least give me an error message. What the? Kind of confused by that a little bit, but okay. Oh, that's one password. Go away. Mm-hmm. We're not getting a full page refresh, are we? This post included my stuff. We got a redirect on the response, and it had a set cookie. Then our root data, we have a cookie, but we don't have our, so our cookie was not set? Maybe because so we are logging in, but that cookie is just not getting set somehow. Okay, so at some point, one of these requests is clearing that cookie. Maybe a picture PNG is missing. Yeah, that is something else. I'm not worried about that PNG thing. I'm concerned. We do have some cookies. Some of these are for my NAS. Hopefully that doesn't reveal anything too terrible for you. But yeah, these should be irrelevant. I need to filter out the stuff for 1Password. It's really annoying. Okay, so I'm gonna say login. I need 1Password to shut up, and yeah, all those stuff from 1Password just go away. So this gives me back the cookie. Okay, and then all the rest of this stuff, yeah, here it is, chunk right here. Why does this not have the cookie in the request? It's like the cookie gets set. Oh, I know what it is. I know what it is. Yeah, so this set cookie is secure, and we are on HTTP. So I need to either, yeah, I think I just turned that off because some people are going to be running this locally only. Okay, auth server Where's our cookie config? Yeah, auth session storage. Secure. False. Because people run this app local or on their local networks, and it's annoying to set up HTTPS for local networks. Okay, cool. So now we get to test what the whole workflow is. Disable secure on auth cookie. And actually, that's not the only one. We also have, not the redirect cookie, the verify cookie. TOTP maybe? No. Verify. Session storage, here we go. And toast. Same story. Passkey, same deal. Okay, let's see what happens. This is cool, like this is good to go through the whole process, and then we'll finally get to actually developing the app. But I like wiring all this up. You wouldn't want to do this if you weren't sure that you were going to be actually using the app, because this is a lot of work to get things up and going. But I'm really confident that I'm going to be using this app. So in fact, I've been using it for years. So this is a rewrite of an app that I know that I'm going to use. I don't know that other people will use it, but maybe. Definitely the sort of thing you're going to want to self-host. You'll be breaking terms of service if you're hosting it on other people's stuff. So, doodaloo. How long does Playwright typically take? Minute and 13. I just noticed Opacity Zero's comment. I'm glad that you found my Twitch channel. I was just talking about how I'm annoyed by Twitch because their spam problem is a big problem. But yeah, I'm glad that I'm streaming to Twitch. How long does the deploy take? And by deploy, I should probably rename it because it's not really a deploy as much as it is a publish. That rain is coming down, which means we're getting great snow. Here, let's see, Solitude. Amazing. All right, where's the weather report? Yeah, here it is. Okay, cool. So now, if I go here again and we go to 8766 and log in, admin, and media RSS. Oh yeah, I need to delete those from my clipboard. Oh, that didn't work. Huh. Definitely was not what I expected to happen. Let's try it once more. Admin, media, RSS. Clear all this stuff out, log in. Oh, invalid username and password. Oh. Okay. Let's go back over here to cookies. It's still secure. Oh, you know what? Maybe let's delete that cookie. I wonder. Well, that's, oh, you know what? I know why. Because we haven't updated it. Because we got to manually update. It's not a deploy. So let's go to our image here. How did I do that? Container. Project overview. Didn't I updated Jellyfin just a little bit ago. How did I literally updated Jellyfin. How did I do that? All right, I gotta go to my own stream and see where I was when I updated Jellyfin. Up for 37 seconds, so just about a minute before this. Updated image. All right, okay, so it's just a little before this. Okay, yeah, right here. I was on the image. It said update available. Yeah, okay. Up for 18 minutes. So wait, did it restart? wasn't 18 minutes ago that I updated. Huh. Yeah, okay. I need to have like a nicer experience. Stop. Details. I want all of these settings. And running on latest, so let's see. All right. So that is not my favorite workflow. I didn't have to do that for Jellyfin, but I wonder if it's just because I manually downloaded the new latest. So in the future, like once I'm done with active development, this won't be so much of a problem. But for right now, it's kind of annoying. All right, it's kind of starting up right now. Yep, here we go. All right, this time it's gonna work. Admin, media, RSS. Boom, we are logged in. Hallelujah. Profile, edit profile, name, admin, username, Kent C. Dodds. We'll just do Kent. Save changes. And enable two-factor auth. Should I do that? Why not? One password. I'm gonna change this eventually, but that port I want to change once I take down my old one. Okay, media RSS. Save. View. And then, oh, yep, there it is. And let's add a one-time password. Scan. Okay, save that, copy, come over here and paste it, submit. I've got two-factor auth. Let's change my password. To this ridiculously long thing. Change password, boom. Sign out of 8 other sessions. Yeah, let's do that. Because I tried to log in like a bunch of times and it just never worked. Download your data. Let's see, what does that look like? There it is. I'm an admin. Cool, yeah, I don't have much data. No feeds. But that is cool. Okay, great. What? Failed to create a passkey? I wonder why. Oh, probably because I'm on a HTTP, not on HTTPS. Yep, that makes sense. We'll deal with that later. Okay, cool. So now we just need to add this page. So I can go to my feeds. And then we need to update this. So that is cool. Very good, I agree. Okay, good stuff. Hey, we've got it. We've got a workflow that works to getting things running on my NAS. Hooray! So now, let's actually develop the app. Next time I want to do this, I can probably just init from here. Here's actually, this is gonna be kind of interesting. Let's look at commits and compare the init to here. Some of these things are specific to my media thing, but yeah, here's what we did. We added support for tagging versions. We are switching to Docker, Docker Hub. We updated the README with instructions. We updated the user dropdown and entry server because we're not running on fly and we're not doing user images. Updated the allow indexing goes away. Get rid of a lot of user account stuff because we're just going to have an admin who can do whatever they want. Man, actually, we changed a lot of things, didn't we? Got rid of a bunch of things, updated the seed, got rid of a bunch of test stuff. Yeah, but that's what it takes to get to take the Epic stack, strip it down to something that you run on your own Docker image, on your own Synology, and it doesn't use LightFS, but it still has the cache and stuff, which is kind of cool. Okay, great. So, where do we start? Probably better start with some sort of wireframe or design of some kind. So, let's see. Let's do, man, I really kind of wish that we had Tailwind 4. But I tried that on the Epic stack and had issues with shadcn and whatnot. Gratatext app has it. Let's do this. Let's start with a customizing the theme. I want to customize the theme for this app. Can you please choose a couple fun colors to use? I'm just going to let it choose. Tailwind config, Tailwind presets, Tailwind CSS. Let's see. I think that, yeah, I think that's it. Fun color palette. I don't know how to spell palette. Can you please choose a fun color scheme to use? Make sure to have dark mode variants as well. Just going to accept it wholesale. All right, localhost 3000. Let's see what you did. Heck yeah, I'm into it. That's interesting. What the? Users, routes, index, yeah. Oh, that's why. There we go. Ah. There we go. Let's go to Theo. Theo's feeds back home. All right, and what does dark mode look like? Nice and contrasty, sort of. What the heck? What happened to flow? It looks like the dark mode borders on inputs is a very low contrast. Can we fix that? It looks fine in light mode, but yeah, dark mode borders don't look all that great. There we go, that's better. Yeah, forgot password. Create an account. Yeah, this all goes way too. No way to create an account. You log in or you don't. Yep, okay, I'm into the purple aesthetic. That works. Okay, cool. So with that then, what's next? I guess we should make it so that we should like give some sort of design to it, or maybe it can just kind of come up with the best design. Let's just see what happens. Let's customize colors. Okay, cool. And let's go with I think actually it would be good for us to get the media listed. Like just have a page that lists all the media. And actually, I think the admin should be able to control the directories that the users have access to. So we actually have hold on. I need to bring my trash cans in. Okay. I don't want to use the directories as my organization mechanism. However, it's nice to be able to just drop something in a directory and know it's going to be on the feed once the feed gets updated, so I don't have to go into more than one place to update stuff. I'm gonna sit down. So my wife actually took the kids, took my niece and nephew who are staying with us right now. Their parents are on a fun trip. I keep, like, the more I say about that, the more it sounds like they're separated or something. They're literally on a fun vacation together. And we're taking care of two of their kids. But yeah, so she took them somewhere to do something fun, and so I've got the baby here, and he's been sleeping like this whole stream, 2 hours, and even before that, office hours too. He's still sleeping, so good job, kiddo. It's very helpful. You know what? Here's what I want to do. Oops. I'm gonna get rid of the marketing preset thing. So now you go to the home page and it does not do anything all that interesting. And I'm fine with that. And then marketing. Do we even have a link to the about page? Nope. Okay. This is based on the Epic Stack, and the Epic Stack has a bunch of logos and things for what is available. We are building a app that allows people to generate RSS feeds for their media, their videos, and audio files. And so I want to get rid of all of these logos and update this homepage to describe that in an appealing way. All right. Very cool. Yep, that does it. Kind of feel like these are swapped in a funny way. That's the way it was. Is there? Yeah, let's get rid of the order. Let's get rid of the weird ordering and just use Flexbox instead of grid. Whoa. Let's containerize this guy. Very good. Okay. I think if you're logged in, it would be nice if the home page looked different. Like had your feeds and stuff. So once we get to having actual data, we'll get there. Okay. So let's go now to feeds. need to update my snippets. We don't do things this way anymore. Do we have snippets in here? Yeah, how do we do that? Oh yeah, loader. Kind of expected that to work. Am I vibe coding? I don't know. What is even vibe coding? Does vibe coding just mean coding with AI? Then yes, but my thought was vibe coding is just like not touching any of the code and you're just letting the AI do its thing and you're only prompting the AI. I'm not exactly doing that. I'm kind of doing that, but not exactly. Right now I'm just trying to figure out why this route isn't working. Oh, I know why it's not. Username. Yeah, okay, here we go. Yeah, go back. There we go. And this should actually work with layout. Good grief. I don't know why, but my focus isn't getting... Oh, it keeps on going to whisper flow. What? That's why. So I swipe over here, swipe over here. I'm on whisper flow. Why? That's not good. Oh, I hope somebody else tells whisper flow about that bug. That is super annoying. All right. To combat that, we're not going to have to swipe back and forth as much because I'm going to do this. All right. Okay, so here we need to, hey, Jarek. It's good to see you. Maybe I'm saying your name wrong because your last name's Hakeem, and so I'm wondering if maybe it's Herrick. That's maybe Jarek. You can correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, so I need to process env media path. Let's just return that. No live reload here. Let's export. There we go. Yeah, we don't want to be a sub on the user. That was the wrong side. All right. There we go. Cool. So that is the media path. I think the way that we have it set up is the media path can be a colon separated array. So split by colons. All right, there's our loader data, and we're getting live reload, and that's nice. Okay, so now we're gonna go through and find all of the media in those paths. Okay, so find all media in the paths. Anything that ends in MP3 or MP4. At this point, there we go. So at this point though, I should probably go to my Podcastifier thing. Hold on, let me check on something. Got distracted by my email. Okay. Yeah, ooh, where's my Podcastifier remix? Yeah, here we go. This is all of the logic. M4B. Oh, I didn't know that I supported M4B. Cool. Okay. Yeah. Maybe I should just bring this in wholesale and then update it. I might regret this. Media server TS. I think glob support was built into Node. Didn't Node add glob support as a built-in package? All right, so it comes from Node.fs. Music metadata is something we're gonna want. We don't need type to Boolean anymore. So that's nice. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. That was way gross. Where's my utils? Yeah, okay. Change this to use the remember package. Okay, yeah, cool. I think I only typed it as file path just to, yeah, no, that's fine. Kind of think I'll be switching from this metadata cache to cachified anyway. Okay. What did glob and roots do? Mm-hmm. That's right, I had named paths, and I did comma separated, so we don't have names now. So this is just dir. Yeah, and we're gonna do full paths as well, so really, yeah, okay. Really, this is just that. Huh. Okay. That's fine with me. The glob-related code in this file was originally written using the glob package, and now we want to write it using the built-in Node FS module support for globs. Can you update the code accordingly? Yeah, that's not how that works. Okay, that's one way. Okay, yeah, this is, it's too messy for it to really make any sense of anything. Cancel, 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 cancel. Yeah, just, where's the stop button? Stop! Yeah, no, that's not gonna do it. Yeah, we don't need this anymore. Right? I don't think we need... Yeah, so, what's going on? Stop. It's not gonna have an ID. I think I want this to just not have a directory, and instead yeah, we're gonna get rid of all this config stuff. That's gonna come from the database now. Authorize stuff. No? Oh, maybe there's a breaking change. There we go. Oh, what this probably means, this is huge. Yeah, this would be really, really good. I've had a bug or a problem with music metadata for a long time, and that was that it had to read the whole thing into memory. Yes. This is so good. Yes, I'm very happy about this. Wow. Okay, fabulous. Love to see this. Oh, I'm so happy about this. Okay. Can you fix this? It needs to be a... remix the web packages. Here we can use lazy file. I don't think it knows lazy file, so we're gonna... I want to view the raw. Sweet. Oh, heck yeah. This is very good. This will reduce memory pressure as well, and I may not even need to cache stuff, maybe? I'll probably still cache stuff. Yeah, we're gonna get rid of this. I still need to figure out the ignore thing. Maybe I should have just used glob as it was. This is the only place we ever use it. Right here. Oh no, yeah. In this file. Yep. So we're fine. Maybe we should just do this. Problem is there could be a lot of files. Okay, well, hold on. Glob and roots is literally only used once. So let's rename this to get media files. And then we'll take the ignore and the media glob pattern, stick them right here, and get rid of options and this. What is, yeah, well, okay, that makes sense, I guess. I don't want to bring in mini match, so can we just change the way that we're doing ignores to handle that? Yeah. No, maybe we can change the ignore array to not use glob patterns and just check for those values in the directory structure. Yeah, that's what I want. Yep. Okay, cool. Heyo. Okay. Get rid of that and those. We're all good. Doing great. How are you? I think I want to change this to yeah. Please change these to Zod schemas and derive the type from that. I think I hear the baby waking up. Yep, he's playing, but that will only last so long. Oops. Let's just run this code. I definitely expected that to, oh, there we go. Maybe it just took a while. Oh, geez. Yeah. What do we have in here? Oh, the pictures. Yeah, probably don't want to send the pictures that way. Let's exclude the pictures in what's returned. No, I'm happy with it being in the metadata. I just want the layout to map the metadata to exclude the pictures. Oh, okay, good luck on your sync up. Hope that is excellent. Now we're gonna reject that, and reject that, and reject that. Go over here and accept. I rejected your changes to the media server utility. Could you please just make changes to the layout? There we go. That's what I wanted. Thank you. Much better. So now that I think about it, we do need a way to get the image for each of these. I am thinking maybe we need to generate an ID like I was before. Like just, that's a hex of the location of the file. And that's how, yeah, I mean the items in our schema, media, or feed item, or what are we calling them? Feed media. This has an ID, has a file path. So I guess it doesn't become feed media until you add it to a feed. And until then, it's just a file that exists. But we need to represent it in something other than the file path. So we need to add, just take that off right now. I just want to clean up. Okay. I would like to add an ID to the files that are an encoded version of their file paths. Here's how this file used to look to help you with that. Thanks, but actually now I want these changes to be made to the media server instead of the layout. I'm gonna have to stop this here in just a second. Probably would have been faster for me to just do this myself. That's the real challenge, is deciding whether you should ask the AI to do it or if you should just do it yourself. There we go. So now we should have an ID. That's weird. It appears we are not getting the ID. Oh, you know what? We still have the cache in place. There we go. Kind of thinking maybe I'll want to keep that cache. Yeah, we're gonna just stop right there. I'm gonna go take care of the baby and have some lunch, and then I'll come back. Should be streaming this afternoon. I think we're actually like pretty close. Once we get the data all in the right spot, then I can have AI generate UIs for me, and there'll be just some CRUD stuff that we need to do. Famous last words. I think we're pretty close. Probably not that close. Probably won't finish today, but we're getting there. This is good. So I'm gonna sign off now. Thanks, everybody.